Hello everyone. So now let's see how to calculate BMI of a patient. So first, what is BMI? BMI is known as the body mass index of a person to let them know if they are underweight, overweight, or they're in normal weight or obese. So for this, we're going to see a program using C. First, the code defines a structure for patient information and calculates the BMI. Then the steps define a patient structure with name, weight, and height. So we prompt the user to enter the name, weight, and height. Then it prompts the user for the information, calculate the BMI using the formula. So the formula is BMI is equal to weight divided by height square, which is height into height. And then we display the patient's name and calculated BMI. The C program implements the algorithm using the struct patient, which is the structure, to store the data. It uses scanf to read the input from the user and printf to display the final output. The calculation is performed. Thank you.